Hi, this is Susan. She is so happy to get her new phone today. However, she is so frustrated that the music from her phone doesn't sound good. What's the problem? It must be the poor digital-to-analog conversion process blocking the way. If we can bypass this internal conversion, we can get back the music we want. ZuperDAC-S, a true portable hi-fi DAC for your phone and computer. Unlike other products, it is small, light, and battery-free, using the best digital-to-analog technology to generate live music. Supports all OS platforms: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. It comes with 3 cables to connect to all your phones and notebooks. Premium aluminum casing with 3 color options: silver, red, and gray. With ZuperDAC-S, Susan can now enjoy great music anytime, anywhere.